This is orientation for the rear of the ASU/ASB unit for RF. Power connectors, power switches, and a volume knob that can be pre-selected. This here is the connector to allow the foot switch to function when plugged in from the front. This shows what comes up on screen when the system is activated. The device will perform a self-test and is now ready for use. Just as an orientation, this is our screen that we'll be watching during an RF lesion creation. This demonstrates that it's ready. When a lesion is being performed, this light will be on. And when the device algorithm has realised that the lesion is transmural, this light will flicker. This is just a connector from the handpiece to the ASU. You can ignore these for the time being. These points here are for alternate probes. In all cases, simple maze cases, you will use this probe here. So just make sure when you are using the device, the isolated jewel is active. This device here is where the foot switch plugs in. It's currently flashing because it's not plugged in. Plugging in the foot switch is as simple as taking the foot switch probe with the arrows at the 12 o'clock position, sliding into the port, and you can see now that our alert light is turned off. To plug in a bipolar RF probe, handed this off by the scrub nurse. This literally plugs into the isolated jewel switch here below the green light with the arrows at the 12 o'clock position. That is now active and ready for use. Removal is as simple as withdrawing the probe and disposing correctly. Turning off the ASU/ASB system at the end of a case is as simple as turning switches off and disconnecting at the power. When packing up the RF and cryo unit for storage, ensure that the scavenge hose is neatly bundled on the side. RF power switches are off. Cryo power switches off. Manometer reads 0. Cable stored neatly on the side, and the foot switch is cleaned and bundled up neatly in a container.